Since I'm not able to insert my own pool settings in my miner, I thought that I have to create a TFCard in order to reboot the miner and then install an updated firmware. BitMaxZ from the Bitcoin forum pointed me in the right direction, telling me I should download the files I would find under Innosilicon A6. I wanted to download the manual. A direct click on it wouldn't do the trick, so I had to right click on it, hit inspect, and then on the window that opened on the right side there is a link. When I clicked on this link, I was able to download the manual. Same thing for the boot image. I picked the G19 TFCard boot image, right click on it, and then on the new window that popped up, I clicked on the link and I downloaded it. I had to extract the image, and then I used the Win32 disk imager in order to proceed with creating a TFCard. When the program started, I clicked on the little folder icon to select the boot image file that we just extracted. I clicked on write and the process started. You can see the progress bar, and once it was completed, there was a little pop-up window saying write successful. I clicked OK, removed the TFCard and went over to my miner. The instructions from Innosilicon were very poorly written, so I was not really sure in which order I had to complete the next task. Here you see me first powering up the machine, then inserting the card, and then pressing the reset button. It was also not clear on how much time to wait before accessing the user interface on the browser. I went on the Innosilicon support website, selected my miner model in order to download the firmware. A direct download was not possible, so I right-clicked on it, clicked on Inspect, and then from the window that opened on the right side, I was able to click on the link and download the firmware from there. There were two files, and since I was not sure which one is the right firmware, I downloaded both. I would go to my browser, log in, and then I would go to Maintenance, Firmware, and update the firmware that I downloaded for my miner from the official Innosilicon website. The firmware would install, the miner would reboot, and as soon as the miner rebooted, I logged in again and I tried to insert my own pool settings, my own worker name. It didn't work. I received the same error message that the miner is currently using fixed pool settings. This time I tried first to insert the TFCard, then to power on the miner, and not to press the reset button. I went to my user interface, logged in, updated the firmware the same way I just showed you, but again without any success. I was still not able to enter my own pool data. The miner kept resetting everything to the fixed settings. Here are the details of my upgrading process, and it seems like something's not right there. A big shout out to CursedMining and BitMaxZ from the Bitcoin forum. They both really tried hard to help me selflessly by answering my questions and guiding me in the right direction. And I will definitely keep you guys posted. And again, thanks so much for helping me. I really appreciate this. I think I cycled through all options and possibilities, with first powering on the machine, then inserting the card with or without resetting, or first inserting the card, then powering up the machine with or without resetting. No matter which method I tried, I was not able to update the real firmware. So this was part 2 of my Innosilicon experience. Unfortunately, still without a fix, but hopefully I can follow up soon with a solution and everything up and running. Thanks so much for watching this, and tune in soon again. Bye for now.